Hey guys, Matt Hennon here with Dye Paintball, and in this video we're going over the M3s transfer board repair kit. The tools that we're going to need are needle nose pliers, 3/32 Allen, and a small Phillips. We're also going to need the parts handy and your M3s. I'm going to go ahead, set the parts aside, and remove the grips from the M3s. We're going to go ahead, take our 3/32 Allen, and remove the trigger frame. We're going to go ahead, set the trigger frame aside, and the board we're looking to replace is the transfer board. We're going to go ahead, take our needle nose pliers, and unplug the eyes and the solenoid. We're then going to go ahead, take our small Phillips, and remove the 2 screws. We're going to set the 2 screws aside, slightly slide the driver underneath, and pull up to release the board. We're also going to go ahead and remove the rubber gasket if it didn't come with the board. We're going to go ahead and remove the contents from our parts. With the parts removed, we're going to set everything aside other than the rubber. We're going to go ahead and place the rubber in with this tab facing the front of the gun on this hole. Once that's placed in place, we're going to make sure that this tab here is flush in the hole and that your cable management looks like that. We're going to go ahead, take the part, we're going to slide it around the wires first and then firmly press. We're then going to go ahead and take our screws get them into place and tighten down. Once we have the screws, we can go ahead and plug back the solenoid and the eyes. Now I'll go ahead and grab the trigger frame, align it back with the body, and put it back together. Once we have both screws tightened, we're going to go ahead, place our grips back on. And there's the quick video of replacing the M3s transfer board.